Hi, I'm John Twist of University Motors. Today is Thursday, the 3rd of March. Already March. Gosh, where did the time go? Anyway, again, we are approved. We have yet to receive in the mail our certificate of occupancy, but we are approved and we're moving in. As you can see behind me, we have all this equipment, office equipment, stuff that came from the old shop, stuff that we assumed when we bought the new building. And then out here we've got, let me tell you, this is a big moving in project. We've got our octagon table and chairs, and I just bought another cabinet last night up here in the corner, a Swedish cabinet, not quite the same color as the other cabinets. We've hired Kelly in the other room to do our internet and email work. So with luck, some of the emails will start getting answered. I know I haven't been very good, that's an understatement, in answering emails for the past 6 months. Let's go out and back and see what's going on there. This is the extra part of the building, the newer part of the building, and we're just constructing right now our carburetor room and our brake room. Those are going up right now. This is going to look real nice, and when we're done, we'll be able to get our carburetors done. We just got a great big tumbler yesterday that got shipped in, so we can tumble the bodies and make them look real pretty. Anyway, I want to remind you about this next weekend in Minneapolis. I'm going to be there tuning for speed. If you haven't signed up yet, call Val at Quality Coaches. There's still some room up there for sure. Love to see you. Hey, I want to talk today about brake lines and Flairs. We'll go back in the main workshop. Let me show you some stuff about brake lines. Brake line ends. There are 3 different types of brake line ends. What we have here on the left is a single flare, or it might be a double flare, and what we have on the right is a bubble flare. Let me show you with my hands what I mean. When you take a piece of tubing and just open up the top, that's a single flare. It's a single thickness of wall that's been pushed out into a funnel shape. When you use a brake line tool to make a brake line, usually the first step is to do this. You take the wall and you crush it. That makes a bubble flare. Then if you take the flaring tool and put it in the top, you push these pieces over and you get a double thickness here called a double flare. So a single flare, bubble flare, double flare. Let's take a look at those again real close up. The one on your left side is the bubble flare. The bubble flare, and the one on the right is either a single flare or a double flare. It's hard to tell without measuring the thickness. A single flare is used for gas lines, but all double flares, all brake lines must be double flare. They might be double or they might be bubble. It depends on their application. They are almost always interchangeable. That's the scoop from University Motors today, Thursday, and we'll look forward to seeing everybody again on Tuesday. Thanks so much. See ya.